Hi, thanks for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the batteries in your DMP-1101-W Wireless Universal Transmitter. Before you get started, make sure you call Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know that you'll be changing the batteries, as this will send a tamper alarm to your panel and to Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is a DMP-1101-W Universal Transmitter. To remove the cover, you're going to push down on the button at the top, and the cover should just pull away gently. Then you'll see the battery front and center. You'll be able to just pull it out without too much force. To put the battery back in, the negative should be pointing down and positive pointing up. There are also indications to show which way the battery goes. You just slide it in gently, and then you put the bottom of the cover on first and then slide it on until it clicks. It only goes one way, so you shouldn't have to force it. And that's it. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thanks for watching this tutorial video.